So in this video, I'm going to go over some pretty easy ways to make money off of your coins that you find out in Pocket Change or in collections. Let's just jump right into this video. So I'm not going to spend too much time here, but this coin sold for $250 or best offer. So it probably sold within $100 to $200, but this is a 1919 coin off center. It's not even graded and it sold for that much money. So really quick, if you ever have a coin that looks like this, make sure you hold on to it because a coin that has a mint error like this is going to be incredibly valuable. But let's jump into the next coin. So this coin sold for $350 or best offer, so it probably sold within $100 to $200 to $300. Big thing you need to be careful of on eBay is the fact that if a seller is not trustworthy, one thing you can do is go into their username and see if they sell a lot of coins. Also, if the coins only have one bid on them, that's usually a pretty sketchy thing. But this is essentially a 1910s Lincoln cent coin, and a lot of people call this a wood error, or they call it a wood grain coin because it kind of looks like a wooden coin, and some collectors will pay more money for coins that look like wood, as strange as that sounds. But the big thing here is the fact that, remember, the earliest dated coins are 1909. This one's 1910, so one date after the first penny ever minted for the wheat pennies. So if you have a 1910 coin and it looks like this, it could be worth pretty good amount of money. The coin is also off center just a little bit. If you look at the bottom left hand side of the coin there, you can see a bit of space. That is not normal, and though all these things combined allowed this coin to sell for just under $350. Here's one of my favorite types of coins. This is a 1922 no D coin. So essentially the biggest thing here is you can see that the coin is in relatively low grade. The condition is not the best, but the fact that this is a 1922 no D error coin allowed it to sell for a lot of money. So essentially below the date there should be a small little D mint mark standing for the Denver Mint where this coin was minted. And this coin went on auction on eBay and it sold for $515. Another great coin here. This one was graded by NGC, a mint state 62. Remember, the highest grade we can get in grading is 70. This one is a bit of a lower mint stated grade, but essentially what you need to be looking out for here is the 1955 double die obverse error that occurs on these coins. But if you have a 1955 penny and it does not have doubling, the chances of it being worth a lot of money is pretty slim. So the main thing on the 1955 is you want to be looking for the doubling happening here at the motto at the top, Liberty at the left, and the date at the bottom right there. Make sure if you're ever buying one of these coins, you make sure it's an authentic coin, because there are people out there that sell fake coins acting like they don't know what they have. So for example, this coin sold for over $3,680 because it was graded and authenticated, but there's people out there that will sell these fake coins for about like $100 or $200, and then someone on my channel may think, oh my gosh, this is a good deal, and they buy it and then they find out later it's a fake coin. That's the last thing I want to happen to you guys. So make sure you're doing your homework and research before you ever buy a big item like this one, because this coin sold for $3,680. Plus it had $8 shipping. Awesome coin here. So this is a 1995 1 cent coin overstruck on a 1995 10 cent planchet. This is what's considered to be a double denomination error, and it graded so highly by NGC at a mint state 67. Now if you ever find a coin like this, there is a relatively high probability that you have a coin that is damaged and not a mint error. There are some people out there that will take two different coins and smash them together to make it appear like it's an error, when in reality it's a worthless damaged coin. But because this coin is authenticated by the third-party company of NGC, we all know that this is a real coin, and this coin sold for $1,302. Hit that subscribe button, it really does help out with YouTube algorithm. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video.